Hi! In front of me is Redmi A1 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all permissions on this Redmi smartphone. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Privacy Protection. Now click on All Permissions and select one of your features that you wish to manage, like location. Now click on one of your apps, in my case Chrome. Finally, tap on the best option for you and click on the back button. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow only while using, so when I click on it and go back, as you can see, Chrome just gained access to my device's location if I'm using it. But you can always pick any feature and then look for an app that you are interested in. I will go with Chrome again. Now scroll all the way down and click on See All Chrome Permissions instead. Finally, you can manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!